In this video, we will see how a two-way switch works. Two-way switch is very useful in case of staircase and many other applications. Just be reminded that working with electricity is dangerous and needs to be done by professional technicians. For this, we need two switches, which have three terminals on the back. Middle terminal is called the common, and one top terminal is called line 1, and another bottom terminal is called line 2. First, we take the live wire and connect it into the common terminal of switch 1. We connect another wire from the common terminal of the switch 2, and connect it to the lamp. Now, we connect a wire from terminal L1 of switch 1 to terminal L2 of switch 2. Then we connect another wire from terminal L2 of switch 1, and connect this to terminal L1 of switch 2. Then we connect another wire from neutral to the second terminal of the lamp. The light is off when one of the switch is in down position and the other is on up position. The light is on when both the switches are either in down position or in up position. This way it allows on-off control of the light from either of the switches. Okay friends, hope you enjoyed. Just keep learning and do not forget to subscribe.